Can I say welcome back?
It's on.
I know, but I can turn this part up. Can I say welcome back?
Yes.
Welcome back again. This is Evan McGowan from Twin Ponds Greenhouses. We were just thinking in this time of quarantine and just social distancing that we want to provide just a little opportunity for you guys to not lose your minds inside your house, and you guys can provide some plants and air and creativity with your kids or whoever you're stuck home with. But so here at Twin Ponds, we're just going to be selling like a little kit that you can buy. It would be on our website or on Facebook, whichever. But it's just a little simple kit that will come with some dirt and some annuals. The annuals will be different from each container, but obviously they'll be full of color that will just brighten up your home, you know. So to start the container, I'll just show you how it's going to be made. It's fairly simple, but you know, it's good to know. So you do want to find a spot in your house that you can get a little messy, and if you do get a little messy, then well, you have all the time in the world to clean it up with this. So we've already cleaned our house like 3 or 4 times already. So fill your container. I did it about little 3/4 away, a little more. I'm gonna choose this Million Bell here, just for its color. The roots are still fairly new, so you just want to be careful with those. They're sensitive. I'm gonna throw it over here in the corner. There's no real rhyme or reason to this, but the tallest one I usually put in the center. You don't have to. Let's see. I'm just taking a little dirt off the roots just because I don't need all of it right there. I already have dirt in here. This particular container is going to want some sun, so I would find a nice sunny window next to your window. Let's see, which one do we want? Do we want yellow or yellow? We want the yellow. Here at Twin Ponds, I was just going to say we don't know what we're doing, but we're all, every day it changes. We're just going with the flow of things, but we are here for you. We are thinking positive in this time, but we'll keep you guys posted. But for now, come on out, get your container.
Order online.
Order?
Order online.
Order online, yes. Order online. Come and pick up in store. Just don't linger too long. We got some containers here for you guys.
It's curbside pickup.
Curbside pickup. That's what we're calling it.
In the parking lot.
In the parking lot. Well, you guys have a good day and stay safe.